Everybody has their ideas about what classic means. And so it depends on what classic is to you. For me, classic is having a nice statement piece of jewelry, either a nice, like my butterfly, or a watch, or a nice cocktail ring. The accessories usually finish off the outfit. It depends on where you're going and what you're going to be doing while you're there and who you're with and kind of what your audience is. So for timelessness, you want something that's structured, either like a nice pair of slacks and a nice shirt, maybe a blazer, or a really fitted dress, like a sheath. And you could have a cardigan with that, or you can even throw the blazer over that. So it kind of depends what you're doing. But neutral colors always makes a timeless piece as well. Like your creams, your black, your navies, gray, things like that too. So again, just depends on what you're doing.